They line them up, get them nice and tight indeed. What did you say? The coupe doors closed? Well, then slide the lock open. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time on the asphalt to punch a chicken on a Saturday night. Already yellow out. We got 2 around in the middle of 1 and 2, so the yellow is out. 25 laps to completion of this main event, and this is race number 4 in the Havasu 95 Speedway Mojave Valley Raceway Series that the Dwarf cars are running. But a different variable. Oh, man, and collected John Harrison to 65. The lap traffic, the 0-4. Punch it, chicken. We'll talk about pools later. Sheets looking good, throwing some nice lap times down here last couple. And just as I say that, Sheets makes the move for second. As they go into turn number 3, Mike Cash on the high side, but we're yellow. That is Kyle Busch around. Let's get it going. I'm ready to punch a chicken. Are you? Dave Morrison says, let's get it on. Here come the Dwarf cars. He can get right to the back bumper of Morris. Oh, and he got loose. Damon Sheets going to get underneath him. That's a battle for second. New second place as the white flag comes out from the Morrison Hotel. Micah Morris, Damon Sheets, Mike Cash. And behind Cash, Shane Lindenberger. Lindenberger now tired of being behind Cash. They come out of turn number 4, and it's going to be Micah Morris. Your Dwarf car main event winner, Damon Sheets, Shane Lindenberger, Mike Cash, and John Harris, your top 5. This one's slated for 25 laps. Punch it, chicken, come on with it. Here come the factory stocks. Oh, I thought they were going 3 wide on that first lap. Holy moly, get it on, boys and girls. Kern's letting him know he's still there. Kern's a really good exit on 2. They start drag racing on the back straightaway. They're door handle to door handle. Here they come out of 4. The Gray Ghost is driving away, and Kearns is starting to take the lead on McKinney now. And looks like for the second time this season, ladies and gentlemen, your Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock main event winner, the birthday boy, Mr. Tom Gray. Big Bad Darren Kearns comes in second. Kevin McKinney third. Looks like William Guevara going to come home in 4th. Tom Hansen 5th. Yes, indeed. Can he do it? Let's see. Open up the coupe door. Punch it, chicken. Let's go flat cart main event racing. Wow, top 5 just pulled out on the rest of the field. Oh, and we go slamming and bamming in turn number 2, and we will do a full restart. Punch it, chicken, let's go. This one, 20 laps to completion. But now, new leader. Oh, no. Right back at the start-finish line comes McKinney. Good battle for the lead. Well, they're 2 wide in front of the leader. New first place, Aubrey Burris in the 27. And we may see a caution. May not. All right, good. I hate when we see a caution. I say let him stay green. Good. Madden doing a good. Oh, and Madden couldn't make his way around a lap car. You can be fast, you can catch them, but if you can't pass them, it does you no good. And lap traffic just came into effect. In fact, I don't think the youngster even realized what happened right there. And yes, that's for you ladies. if you're missing your phone. None of that tomfoolery around here. Is McKinney back up into the mix? Whoa, nice move by McKinney to get around the 95. We should, we go yellow as we had one around in 2 and in 4. I think we need to light that stand up. Punch it, chicken. Yes, it was one to go. Aubrey Burris said, good, let's go. The 95 smoking back there. Hopkins in 4th. Punch it, chicken. Come on, let's go. Oh, I was just going to say, watch Madden McKinney. Punch it, chicken. Yes, indeed. Get it on. Maybe we'll get this main event done. I have faith. That's the last one. I really do have faith. The one who really doesn't care so far has been Aubrey Burris in that 27A. Wow, so McKinney got to the outside. We should stay probably green unless... that might have lost a chain. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a... Punch it, chicken. We got pink feathers up here in the pool having a good time. A flaming O's. Oh, it's pronounced flamingo. My bad. Oh, that was flaming O's. That was hot. Madden doing a good job. Madden, you can see Madden starting to stock. Madden on the high side. Oh, now, and the yellow comes out as Madden was making the pass, so he will go back a position. Well, right on. We'll get down and talk with our winner here. This one's slated for 20 laps, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Punch it, little chickens. Let's go, Outlaw Kart Racing. Kingston Caldwell in the 21. Oh, I got one around in 1 and 2. Hopefully everybody else sees it. Oh, or sorry, that's 3 and 4 for that track, not 1 and 2. Stupid announcer. No, Zara Lombardi taking the insider out there too. Last lap flag out. Coming around the checkered flag out for Mr. Planty. 4 good drivers. This should click right on by. Ladies and gentlemen, dangerous motorsports activity is happening. Please pay attention. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, Brucker got his... I think Steven Brucker was looking at YouTube or something. What? Because we're not even racing, guys. I mean, it looks cute. Here we go again. 30 laps. Please pay attention while the mods are running. Much better. Punch it, chicken. Come on. Oh, this is good modified racing on a Saturday night, ladies and gentlemen. William Guevara leading Steven Brucker. The Williams boys behind him. And thank you so much, you folks that are new to short track racing, for picking Havasu 95 Speedway to come to and learn about it. We really do appreciate it. If there's any questions you have, please let us know. Or come on back to the pits after the races. And Jaron Giannini had been running the stuff around here in the modifieds for a couple of years. The 2020s started. Jaron Giannini came in until about 2022. He was the guy to beat here. But now, the guy to beat is Steven Brucker in the modifieds. Ladies and gentlemen, back-to-back, and still the champ in the 602 modifieds, ladies and gentlemen, Steven Brucker. Let's punch some chickens on a Saturday night. Street Stock's coming at you. Punch it, chicken. Havasu 95 Speedway, our final main event of the night. Wow, we danced 4 into turn number 3. And we will be yellow a full restart. Wow, that was almost like synchronized swimming over there. Delay gets a real good head of steam going into 3. Maintains it coming out, but it looks like Hansen's doing a little better on corner exit. Looking back through the field, about to the 6th spot, Nathan Hovdahl. As they're about 9-10 laps in, just about. Now Delay starts to pull ahead of Hansen. Brent Delay working the long game on the high side, and now Brent Delay takes the lead. Lap traffic, a craft in front of them. They almost went 3 wide. New leader, ladies and gentlemen, Jason Grady. And the yellow is out. We got one around in the middle of 3 and 4. Oh, man. Punch it, chicken. Here we go. Let's figure it out. 3 to go. Last lap, flag out for Jason Grady. Rolls the number 45 into 1 and 2. Whoa, he had to whoa it up in 2. I'm not sure what happened there, but it's not probably going to come into play. Ladies and gentlemen, your Street Stock main event winner tonight, Mr. Jason Grady. Jacob Cataro, Brent Delay, Jim Vermillion, Jeremy Orozco, your top 5. Nathan Hovdahl, Chad Hansen, Alex Rodriguez, Mike Grady, and Mike McKeon round out your top 10. Darren Secord, Jeff Kraft, D. Ray Bruce, Curtis Burns, James Lambert, Ryan Daniel, and Shane Sinibaldi.